Today's topic is the giant rock. The third unit, furs and feathers. As the name already suggests, this unit will be about the birds and the animals. So, in this first story of this unit, the giant rock. Now, you may think what the rock is. What uh, kind of animal is rock? Rock is a big eagle. It is a kind of eagle which is very huge in size and generally does not exist in reality, but in the myths, in the mythical stories it appears. So we have never find any existence, or it might be extinct. It might be an extinct bird. Extinct, you must know the extinct. Extinct means some creatures or living beings or organisms which have already been wiped out. Wiped out means which are not living now on the earth. So such kind of animals or living beings or organisms are called extinct. So rock is a huge eagle which is very huge in size. Now it must be either it must be extincted or it must be a mythical bird only. Mythical bird means which exists in stories only, not in real. So we can't say anything it. So let's enjoy the story, what the story is. So first of all, let's go through this about this summary of this story. In this story there is a main character Sindbad is related to the Saudi Arabia, and he used to go to on voyages or journeys on for long distances to get adventure. Sindbad, he was basically was a merchant's son who traveled to many distant lands, buying and selling goods. So he used to go far off places, but simultaneously he did business in these far off lands. So one of the many voyages he used to go every now and then. He used to go on the voyages whenever feels bored in his life. He set out on the voyage. Voyage, what is voyage called? Voyage is a journey uh, through waterways for the long distance. So that ship के through when we do the journeys, that is called voyages. So on one of the many voyages, the merchant ship stopped at a beautiful tree covered island where Sindbad decided to take a nap. So on such a voyage when he went out, he found an island which was very beautiful, which was totally covered with the trees. So he decided to take a rest for a while over there. So he stopped over there. When he awoke, he discovered that the ship had set sail without him. Looking for a way to get off the island, he saw a large white dome. Just then, a huge shadow fell over him. Looking up, Sindbad saw a huge bird called a roc, and he realized that the white dome was actually the bird's egg. A brilliant idea came to him. Let me tie myself to this bird's legs. He thought, then I can leave this island. So in this story, you will find that when after taking rest, when Sindbad got got awake, so he saw that his ship was already sailed away. Just a second, Isa, I will answer your questions. So at daybreak, when the rock flew away over the sea, it carried Sindbad too. When it touched down, Sindbad untied himself quickly before the rock flew off again. He found himself in a valley full of diamonds, surrounded by steep mountains. Large serpents hid from the rock in caves during the day, but at the daytime, at the night time, they came out again. Thud, Sindbad saw big chunks of meat landing on the valley floor. Merchants who wanted the diamonds were throwing them down from the ridges. They waited for the eagles to pick up the chunks of meat with the diamond stuck on them, and then they take them to their nest from where the merchants would get the diamonds. So this way Sindbad tied a piece of meat to himself. An eagle picked him up and carried him to its nest, and in this way Sindbad escaped from the Valley of Diamonds. So basically this is the story in which Sindbad went out on a voyage, but he suddenly stuck on his on an unknown island. So in this story you will find how playfully, how wisdom, with full of wisdom, he was able to take himself out of that island. He has used his wisdom because he was one of the wisest merchant and voyagers who used to go on a very adventurous and difficult journeys. So in this story, you will find how he has got on stuck on an island, and how smartly he has come out of that problem. So this is the all about the story.